Hey, Rebecca, before you run away, I just want to say that I'm sorry for what happened last time. I'm sure you remember me.
Yes, of course I remember you. I mean, how could anyone forget a performance like that?
I'm so sorry about that. I can barely even remember what happened. My brother threw a rock at me and I fell off the roof. And I was on pain medication. I remember something about not being able to eat ice cream. I'm not even sure what was going on.
What about when it happened in real life too?
The dream was real, but it wasn't my worst nightmare. It was sad because I love ice cream, but it's not the worst dream that I've ever had. Let me make it up to you. Let's try it again, but this time, that guy will not be there.
Okay, deal. But what do you do for a living?
I'm a sound scientist by trade. I have a performance this Sunday if you want to see me at work.
Wait, you're a scientist? That sounds pretty awesome.
Scientist, engineer, technician, sound mixer, music mixer, whatever word you want to use. It's what I do.
Okay.
I also film a personal vlog. But that's besides the point.
Okay, so what's it like being a sound scientist?
I'm basically putting on a performance. It's just like being on stage, playing an instrument, or singing, or rocking out in front of your fans. The soundboard is an instrument all in itself. It's no different than the guitar, or the piano, or the drums, or any other instrument. It takes practice, it takes skill, and tremendous focus. It takes talent. I'm part of the band. I'm putting on a performance too. I'm part of the show. I just get less recognition. Unless something feeds back, of course, then the attention's gonna turn around on me.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
I'm going to youth camp this summer, 'cause I'm a youth. You should come.
Well, maybe I will.
Sweet.
Joey? What's your last name?
Why?
Because I want to know.
It's why.
No, I want to know because, I mean, we guys are friends now, so I'll tell you mine. My name is Rebecca Czachowski. Now, what's yours?
It's why.
Come on, I think you could tell me.
I am telling you. It's why.
Really? Like the question?
Yeah.
You mean W-H-Y?
Yeah, Joe Y.
That, so...
Joey Y, Joseph Y, whatever.
Is it Dutch?